Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rohan Khandelwal and I head the Department of Breast Diseases at C.K. Birla Hospital. The Breast Center at C.K. Birla Hospital specializes in the management of cancerous and non-cancerous breast disorders. And in this video, I'll be talking about those alarming signs or symptoms which you should keep in mind, and if you know anyone who has them or if you have them, you should always visit a breast specialist. So the alarming signs when you need to visit a breast specialist are: number one, if you notice a lump in the breast which is persisting beyond one cycle. What does that mean? Now, sometimes lumps in the breast develop during your menstrual cycles, but as the periods start, the lump settles down. But if you have a lump which is persisting despite one menstrual cycle, that could be a cause of concern and you should rush to a breast specialist. Another finding which should raise the alarm bells is bloody nipple discharge. If you notice blood coming out from the nipple, you should go to a breast specialist and get an ultrasound done and get yourself evaluated. So don't ignore a bloody nipple discharge as well. The third finding which you should be aware of, normally the nipples are projecting outwards. Sometimes the nipple can be pulled inside, that is called a retracted nipple. Now some ladies have retracted nipples since their childhood. In that case they are not problematic. But if there is a recent retraction of the nipple which was outside has gone inside, has been retracted inside, that is an alarming sign, especially if it is associated with a lump or nipple discharge. So again, a recent retracted nipple you should not ignore. A recent change in size of one of the breasts, that is also an alarming feature. Now ladies who are pregnant or those who are lactating, the breast size can increase, the breast can even sag down. But if one of the breast sizes is changing, that means it's either increasing or decreasing, that should be a cause of concern and you should visit a doctor to get that evaluated. Right? So don't ignore a recent change in size of one of the breasts. Also, if you notice that the skin of the breast has become thick, it has become like an orange peel, that could also be a sign of cancer. So thickened skin where you can see pores and it is inflamed and orangish like an orange peel, don't ignore that sign, that could be a sign of cancer as well. So these are some common features which you should be aware of, and if you notice any one of them, you should go to a breast specialist. Also, if you have breast pain which is persisting for more than 1 or 2 menstrual periods, you should get that evaluated, because sometimes there are smaller lumps which you might not be able to feel, but the breast specialist can detect them. Breast surgery is a specialized branch where there are dedicated breast experts now taking care of breast disorders. So whenever you notice such a problem, it is best to visit a dedicated breast specialist around you. If you have any further queries regarding any complaints in the breast or any breast related symptoms, please do write down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.